Here's how you're going to use AI tools for your blog. This is off personal experience of how I've done it in the past, but I actually don't do it anymore because I don't love the process, but maybe it'll help you out. Okay, so no matter what, you want to use AI tools to enhance your process and to get ideas, inspiration from, but you never want to just copy and paste it. So these are some ways that you can enhance the process and really speed it up so you could scale more blog posts. Before I get started, I will have to say I did check out chatgpt to see what it would say about like blogging, SEO, Pinterest, Instagram, and I tested out in various areas and subjects in the creator industry, and it is much better than other straight up writing AI tools that I've used. So that's awesome. That's definitely a benefit, but still never copy and paste, especially because it's not good for Google and it's just not good for your blog because you want to have your own voice, your own expertise, and people are coming to your blog for you. So definitely want to inject that. But let's get started on these 3 methods. Okay, first off, you want to write about a topic, but you kind of just don't have the idea fully developed, or you just need kind of like a soundboard to get you started on what you might put in that blog post. It's a great idea to use AI tools for that reason. You can see what the AI tool spits out and then use that to create the structure of the blog post and get you started with writing. Another approach that you could take is like, say you already have the idea and you have a basic framework for your blog post that you're going to write. By the way, I always structure out my blog post before I get into the writing. It makes it much easier. And I kind of have a goal of what that blog post is going to be about. But anyway, say you have like the basic overall structure. Say you have like 3 things that supports an idea that you want to talk about, but you want to add more information to your blog and you just don't really have the time to check out other people's blog posts and what other information there is out on the internet. You could use an AI tool to help you pad your idea a little bit more. So far we're using AI tool for creating the structure of your blog post, just kind of get your idea sparked, and then using it to more elaborate an idea that you already had. The third method, which I don't really recommend, is kind of like a copying and pasting. This is if you're really pressed for time and you're really just trying to churn out those blog posts. You could copy and paste it, but go in there and then put your own ideas and change up the wording so it really reflects your voice and put in a little bit of your expertise. So in this case, you would kind of treat the AI tool like a writer that you hired. And then ultimately you are the editor of your blog. So you would kind of just be editing their posts that they wrote for you. So out of these 3 methods and using an AI tool to scale your blog, which one sounds the best for your fit? See which idea I like best here and let's talk about it.